Hi everyone, Gracie here for one more review, and I'm gonna do actually an unboxing with you of this cordless vacuum from HOMPANY. I was actually looking for a good price cordless vacuum so I can use on my everyday. I already have one, but I feel that here in my house I need one because sometimes I'm in the basement and sometimes I'm upstairs, and the one that I have is on the main floor. So I was just looking for something that had a really good price and it was good. So let's open it together because I'm super excited to see it. Okay, it comes with a quick start and user manual and all this part. This one. This is to clean. That's the battery. A nice computer. Motor pad. That part. So that's what comes in the box. So now I'm excited to try it on and put it all together.